Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, I'm going to discuss and show you the signs of a bad cork spring. Okay, that cork spring, what it actually does, okay, it's mounted on the steering column. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, if you go inside this car, right here, let me show you how that thing is mounted and where usually it's mounted on any new vehicle. If you remove your steering wheel, okay, behind the steering wheel, under this plastic is where the cork spring is located. And what that cork spring does, the cork spring stays stationary on the steering column, and when you start turning the steering wheel, okay, it turns as well. But what it does, it's actually cables inside of it, wires. And those wires transfer the signal from the steering column, okay, let's say steering angle sensor. Also, it transfers the signal from the airbag to the airbag computer. Also, it connects, okay, your steering buttons, okay, the one for the radio controls, the one for the cruise, if you have a voice control, phone buttons and all that stuff, it connects all that with the car computer. But as a whole, it's not a very complicated thing, right? It has very long wires inside and it lets you turn it left and right, the steering wheel, without breaking the wires. That's the concept behind it. However, how you know that you have a bad cork spring? Most of the times, okay, you're going to get 3 to 4 different scenarios. So the first one is you get an airbag code for the steering airbag. And you check your connectors, everything is fine, you checked the airbag, everything's good, you didn't deploy, but there is no connection between this airbag and the computer. It could be cork spring. Now, another one is your radio buttons not working. And now, it could be the buttons itself, always check that, we have the video how to check the buttons, but it could be a damaged connection in the cork spring that relates to the radio buttons. The third one will be cruise control. If your cruise control doesn't work, check the buttons first. If they're okay, check fuses, everything else of course, but again, it could be a bad cork spring. And one of the most often one that I've noticed is your horn, okay, not working. And this is due to the bad cork spring. And the same way. One of those wires is responsible for the horn, and you can see on the exit side is right here. And if the connection is broken somewhere inside the cork spring, you're not going to get any connection. As a result, it's not going to work. So those are some of the most common signs of a bad cork spring, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and see you. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.